Now, today I am going to introduce you with some concept of maths or mathematics, we say. So, let's get started. So, starting, consider a triangle having sides A, B, and C. What is the area of the triangle? Do you know? The most common answer to this question is half into base into height. Okay, I know the answer to this question is half into base into height. But what if I will not give you base and height of this triangle? Or even I don't know what is the base and height of this triangle. How will you find the area of this triangle? We will find the area of this triangle by a formula. The Heron's formula is under root of s multiplied by in bracket s minus a multiplied by in bracket s minus b multiplied by in bracket s minus b. So you must be wondering what is s, a, b, c stands for in this formula. Do you remember I wanted you to consider a triangle having sides a, b and c. So a, b and C in this triangle are nothing but the sides of a triangle, and S is semi-perimeter. Okay, what? Semi-perimeter? I don't know. What is this concept? Okay, let's have a look of what is semi-perimeter. Perimeter. Do you know what is the perimeter of a triangle? Yeah, sum of all of the sides of a triangle. That is what we call perimeter. And semi stands usually for half. So semi-perimeter of triangle is half of sum of all of the sides of a triangle. Semi-perimeter, we can calculate it as A plus B plus C divided by 2. If we take it as a formula, or if you want it to be easy, you can also consider it as sum of all of the sides of the triangle and divided by 2. It's upon your choice how you consider it. So moving towards some question to give you a clear understanding of what you should apply, how you should apply this formula in a question. I have given so far introduction of this formula to you. Let's move towards the question. The question is, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 2 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm. How we will solve this question? When you find a question, we have given 2 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm as sides of this triangle, and we do not have at all base and height of this triangle, so we cannot apply the area as half into base into height. But if it is given, you can do apply the formula. But here we have only side. So let's consider A as 2 cm, B as 3 cm and C as 4 cm. Now what is the semi-perimeter? Calculate semi-perimeter somewhat systematically. So semi-perimeter, given the formula of semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4 upon 2, and we get it as 9 by 2 and in decimal form 4.5 cm. So the semi-perimeter of this triangle will be 4.5 cm. How to calculate the area? Yeah, that is the main question here. Find the area of the triangle. So area, applying Heron's formula in this question, the area of this triangle will be under root of S multiplied by in bracket s minus a multiplied by in bracket s minus b multiplied by in bracket s minus c, and putting all the values of semi-perimeter a, b and c. A, b, c are given already. Semi-perimeter we have calculated as 4.5. A is 2 cm, b is 3 cm and c is 4 cm. So putting all these values in the formula, what we get is under root of 1.875. The answer is in under root. So calculating it by calculator, I have considered the most simpler values of sides here. So the answer is not in a simple way as in under root. So calculating the under root, we will get 1.369 centimeters square. Sorry, it is here written as centimeter. Okay, sorry about that. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Now, the main answer we got from this question is area of the triangle is 1.369 centimeters square. So that was it. If you got to understand this concept clearly from my video, you can like, share, and subscribe